Good afternoon, students. Today we'll start with the SST first chapter, and before starting, I just want to tell you that I was very glad to hear your introductions. Okay, now first chapter in our history is what, where, how, and when. See, in this chapter, first of all, the contents we'll study is about what is history, why do we study history, what are the periods or timings of the history, dates of history, and the importance of geography in history, the sources, and also the different archaeological sources, literary sources in history. Okay, now see, first topic is what is history. History is the story of man's past. Okay, what do you mean by past? What do you mean by present and future? See, this tenses already you have studied in grammar, but in the history here, the history is also the man's past. Okay, and it deals with the events that have already occurred, means the events which have passed out. Today we are just studying in the history. Past events we are studying in the history. And what is the need of history? Why do we study history? All these questions when occurs in the mind. First of all, I'll tell you, only to understand the world around us, we have to know about the past. Until and unless you will study the past, you cannot face your present. Okay. Now see, I'll give this all is everything written in the book. A very good example I'll give you about the present is how you will understand your present. You will understand your present with the disease which you are facing today, that is your COVID-19. Okay. Now in the COVID-19, many things you have learned and you are watching the news, you are hearing from your parents, don't go out, wash your hands, and use the washed vegetables, everything, and the disease where it is not yet cured. Okay, and this is the reason we are not going outside the house and everything. So all these things which you are seeing in the present, it helps to learn you many things, and the same thing after 10 years when you will repeat, or after 10 years if you will say to anyone or narrate to any other people, it will become the past history. Today our whole world is fighting because of the COVID-19, and there are many things which you can narrate after 10 years to the other people. Okay, now see, this is all about the history, your past and your present. Now see, there are time frames in history, that is prehistory, protohistory and history. First is prehistory. Now see, it is the time when the writings had not been invented. Means though writing has not been invented, how you can say that the inventions or the history which is written, it is true? Yes, it is, because the total knowledge is dependent on the findings of the archaeologist. Okay, for example, you will see the physical remains like pots, pans, jewelry, tools, bones, coins. All this help us to learn about the past. Now, the next is protohistory. Protohistory is nothing but the between period of pre and history. Okay, that is prehistory and history. It is the totally middle of the period. Now see, in this protohistory, you will have the findings of the archaeologist also, and you are having few written records also. Means it is a mixture of prehistory and history. Okay, and it is known as protohistory. Now what is the example of protohistory? Indus Valley civilization. Then now your next is history. History is totally the written records and the records from which you can study properly that what it is, what was invented in the past. Okay, for example, all the rocks, pillars, bricks, everything you will find the writings, because in the historic period the writing was invented. Okay, this is all about the history. Now though today this is the first class, I think this much is enough, and with the I'll send you the pic of the notes by which you will understand the few definitions of the history and discriminations of time frame in history. Okay, and tomorrow's class I'll explain you dates in the history. Okay.